In this example now, we look at deductions from a salary. Now, when you see the word salary, hopefully you're remembering two things. It's a yearly amount, and the second is that if we want to convert that yearly amount to weekly pay, you must divide by 52.18. But let's look at this example and follow the process that we've been establishing, in that we're going to underline the important things. So we're underlining salary, this amount. He pays 34% tax. Obviously that's going out. He has $28.70 per fortnight taken out, deducted for union fees. Correct to the nearest cent, calculate how much tax Aidan pays per fortnight. Okay, so we want tax per fortnight. So what do we know? We know the salary is 67510. We know tax equals 34%. So it doesn't, if we were working out yearly tax, it'd be 34% of this amount. If we want to work out weekly tax, we've got to work out 34% of his weekly gross wage. If we're working out his fortnightly tax, then we work out 34% times his fortnightly gross wage. So that's the one we actually want. How much tax does he pay per fortnight? So we want to know his fortnightly pay. I'm going to write that over here. Fortnightly pay would actually be, when we see salary, we think 52.18. When we see fortnight, we're thinking 26.09. So it's this 67510 divided by 26.09. Now I'm not going to work that out. It's probably not an exact number anyway. So I wouldn't want to round off because I'm not at my answer yet. So I'm going to leave it as the exact numbers. So taking my calculator and trusting I've pressed the right buttons, I get $879.777 and some other digits. Rounding that off to the nearest cent, the 7 is greater than 5, so we round this 7 to an 8. So Aidan pays in tax every fortnight $879.78. Let's move on to B. It's asking us to find Aidan's gross fortnightly pay. Gross fortnightly pay. Now, we know that every a salary is 52.18 weeks or 26.09 fortnights. So the gross fortnightly pay is his salary, 67510, and divided by this 26.09. If, when you were calculating the tax, you actually recorded the answer to that somewhere, then you can write your answer straight down for B. And the answer is $2,587.58 per fortnight. C asks for the net fortnightly pay, and all we have at the moment taken from this gross pay is, of course, the tax, and that we worked out to be $879.78, which gives $1,707.80. Please complete your summary points or key points here keeping in mind this is what you want to go into a complete summary for at the end of the chapter for you to refer back to later. And you could attempt some of these easier questions, 1 and 3, from exercise 305.